Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how I cook chicken with creamy mushroom sauce. This was my first time trying to cook this. First thing first, I prepared around 500 grams of chicken breast. Then I cut the chicken breast into two parts. And then I sliced it into a butterfly shape to make it thinner. Next, I prepared the dry seasoning for the chicken marinade. I added 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, garlic, onion, rosemary, thyme, paprika, salt. Then mix it well. After that, I poured the dry seasoning over the chicken and mixed everything together. And I marinated the chicken for about 20 minutes. Next, I poured 3 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan, add 50 grams of butter, and wait for the butter to melt. Then, I fried the marinated chicken over the medium heat, place them one by one right in the pan, leave it until it's pretty yellowish like this, then flip to the other part. After they're all nice, keep them aside on a sieve. Next, here are the things that I prepared for the sauce. There are sliced mushroom, chopped onion and garlic, and parsley. So for the sauce, using the used oil from the chicken, I sauteed the mushroom first. Then I added onion and garlic, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, salt, parsley, thyme and rosemary, then stir fry. After that, I added 2 cups of evaporated milk and cheese to taste. Next, I let it cook until thickened. Then I added the chicken one by one in the creamy sauce and mix them gently. Finally, this is what I get when the chicken is already cooked well. Even though it looks like it, the chicken is so juicy and the mushroom sauce is thick and tasty as well.